Art is about more than just sculpting and painting. It's about expression of today's things that are going on in the world. That is why we decided to choose to do this art exhibition about being sustainable, recyclable materials.
We've been collecting plastic, broken toys, cardboard, carton milks from the last 2 months. And with all this material, we are creating something new. We are creating art.
It's based off of the famous Chihuly glass sculptor, and instead of using glass, we're going to be using bottles that have been painted to represent a similar style.
We first separate the bottles into 2 groups. One, we made them to like sparrow shape, and other we made them to more like a flower shape.
I think the main purpose of this artwork is to raise awareness among the people that the immense amount of trash and waste products we can generate just by one day.
We have collected over 200 milk bottles where they're going to make into cardboard houses that are going to be used for this beautiful project.
Our theme is basically recycling. We collect the old materials and we paint it, we cut it, and we resculpture it, and we turn that into a brand new piece of artwork.
When I'm using the used materials, the one that was considered as ugly and useless into putting those new and beautiful houses, I feel like they are reborn and they are born into new places.
So we had a team discussion about the subject that we should focus on, and we finally decided to do like a natural land scene because we're making a picture with recycled materials such as like lids and seashells and stuff, and we thought it would be a very good idea to rebuild nature through recycled materials to kind of resonate with the theme of natural protection.
I think it has a strong artistry, and but the most important thing for me is to practice my teamwork ability.
Inspired by the American sculptor Lewis Nevelson, who became famous for her large monochromatic wooden wall pieces and outdoor sculptures, we are using recycled toys from students combined with materials like seashells, plastic bottles, and found objects for our artistic creations.
I think it is cool to put all the toys together. Like, I can create a story with the toys.
I want to express that even the adults, they need to keep the trueness and being curious to the world, like a child, so keep their childishness.
The art community is looking for new and innovation, and if you can take something that is junk to one person and turn it into fine art, that's incredible, and it can help foster that idea of conservation.
We really think sustainability and reusing and repurposing objects is a huge factor, not only in education, but in the bigger issues in the world. So we try to teach students you don't have to have a piece of paper to create art. You can create art from all sorts of things. You can repurpose materials. Art's really about the process and having a purpose for the piece. It's not just about making it beautiful. It's about making it have a story. So I think the story really came out in this project. We're really excited for Wuhan, so we're looking forward to participating next year as well.